it is today, I think, marks the 2 weeks I've not been doing any vlog or just shoot anything. 2 weeks, no vlog. Whew. Yeah, my phone have been like that for I think a month now. So I haven't flying my drone or do anything anything to do with my phone. So I think my battery is like out. It's an iPhone 7, so me and Timmy have been writing notes every time I come here. I leave a note, and then if he knows that I'm coming back, he'll leave a note. We are going back all the way to basics. So anyway, my phone have been dead for 2-3 weeks now, and I just recently find out that I can actually change the iPhone 7 battery. I mean, not what are the odds, but I didn't know, and I didn't manage to check until like this week. I checked that, so I ordered some battery online, and right now I'm just gonna fit it and see if it's the problem with the battery or just the phone. So I'm just gonna see whatever, because I'm trying to revive my iPhone 7 because of the new Facebook pin thingy, and I'm trying to access my Facebook on my other phone, but they said that I have to use the old phone to get the pin, which I forgot the pin, and I didn't even know that I put the pin in. So I'll see what I can do and try to get it. Otherwise, if it's problem with the system, then I just wasted like 600 pesos. Anyway, worth a try. What's gonna happen here, but they start putting up fence to build something. All the way down and up. We'll see. Yeah, so I was up on the road seeing the fencing that they did up there, and I was wondering what was happening, so I actually walked down here to check. So yeah, they're building the university hospital. The foundation is starting now. Anyway, I'm gonna head to the field. I was hoping that the pitch will be at least mowed, half of the field or something, just for us to play. But nah, it's still bushy all the way there. Anyway, I checked out the new construction thing, and I'm not gonna say kuya, but the guy that drives the tractor that cuts the field, mow the field, trim the field. Yeah, he's out there in front doing the trimming thingy. And I think just today he fixed the softball pitch. And he haven't come up here. I thought he gonna start here, but I assuming no, because it was raining throughout the day. The rain just stopped like 2-3 hours ago, so the pitch will be soggy, and it won't be a good idea to run the tractor around the main field. The boys supposed to be here. It's 4 now, but they're not here yet, so I'm gonna just run, do some cardio, and see if they come. I don't think most of the boys gonna come. I don't think anyone want to play in that pitch.
Move up, move up.
almost make it, and it's around 5 o'clock now. So I'm just gonna go and join these frisbee people behind me. Frisbee people are playing the square game thingy, so I'm just gonna join them, play, and then finish this afternoon. So I installed the phone, the battery, but it's not working. It's not even working, so that means that the system is really down. I tried reboot it, tried everything. I left it for charge for like an hour now, and even I tried rebooting. Nothing. So yeah, it's not the battery, it is the phone. The style flags. Style flags. Yeah. Mine. 8. Hello. So here's the thing, I got class skyflakes trying to have lunch. It has been raining a lot, so that's one of the reasons I have not been vlogging for 2 weeks, and it's still raining now. It's crazy, the weather in the Philippines have changed a lot, so hence the reason why I haven't vlogged for 2 weeks straight now. But the good thing is I already have pre-scheduled vlog, so it covers the days or weeks that I don't vlog, so that's a good thing. So I think I'm good until December, second week of December or so. So yeah, anyway, see you on the next one.